Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you 30 unique textures you can apply to your text or logos using AI. Before we jump into the list, here's a quick beginner-friendly example. I'll head to Sora.com, upload a logo, in this case the Rolling Stones logo, and describe the style I'm going for. Let's try a glass plus fire combo, something glossy, sharp, and glowing with energy. To get the best results, I'm also adding a subtle blue filter to correct the overly warm tones that many AI image models tend to produce by default. Here's how that prompt looks. As you can see, our uploaded logo has been transformed perfectly into a fiery glass effect. Now let's dive into 30 more unique styles using different logos and textures. Soft fur texture, great for plush branding, kids visuals, or cozy type treatments. Molten rock with glowing cracks, perfect for energy drinks, metal album covers, or sci-fi UI. Knitted yarn texture ideal for winter campaigns, cozy apparel, or handmade themed graphics. Glossy green slime works well for kids content, Halloween promos, or toy packaging. Lush moss layered over stone, natural, grounded, suited for eco brands or outdoor visuals. Rich mahogany grain, professional, warm, perfect for premium packaging or vintage logos. Industrial brush steel, great for tech brands, tools, or automotive design. Fractured crystal, used for dramatic titles, broken UI effects, or high-end product art. Inflated bubble texture, playful and light, ideal for packaging concepts or quirky visuals. Soft jelly texture, great for food brands, playful type, or novelty product design. Melted chocolate surface, used for dessert branding, luxe edible products, or Valentine's themes. Layered green foliage, organic and fresh, works for wellness, food, or environmental graphics. Rough urban concrete, reliable for streetwear, brutalist design, or construction visuals. Live flame detail, used in explosive headers, survival games, or warning labels. Wrinkled metallic foil, clean and luxurious, fits fashion, awards, or holiday design. Swiss cheese texture, quirky, odd, works for humor, food art, or stylized illustration. Carved ice blocks, perfect for drinks, cold storage, or anything with a chill factor. Swirling nebula gas, used in music visuals, space themes, or vaporwave inspired design. Cut diamond texture, clean and sharp, fits jewelry, finance, or minimalist luxury. Transparent water waves, used in spa ads, hydration brands, or aquatic product shots. Smooth toy plastic, colorful and bold, perfect for apps, gadgets, or product design. Layered feather texture, delicate and soft, useful in nature branding or fantasy themes. Lego style build, structured, modular, great for toys, education, or concept art. Weathered steel, fits post-apocalyptic themes, survival games, or aged product visuals. Soft cloud texture, great for dreams, sleep products, or light mood visuals. Glowing neon tubes, suited for nightclubs, nightlife apps, or tech UI. Threaded silk structure, ideal for spooky promos, Halloween, or fine detail design. Detailed denim with seams, fits fashion design, workwear brands, or Americana visuals. Clean bone texture, stylized and bold, fits games, toys, or Halloween packaging. Cactus surface with visible spines, works for desert branding, drink labels, or organic design. And that's it for today. If you're into AI image and video generation, make sure to hit that subscribe button.